Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to link your social media profiles directly to your Wix website, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick and comprehensive tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add sleek, clickable icons for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or whichever platforms you use, so visitors can connect with you across the web. Let's dive right in and get those links set up. First things first, once you're inside your Wix website editor, you'll want to add a social media bar to your site. So, look for the Add Elements option, usually tucked away in the sidebar on the left. When you click that, a menu pops out with all sorts of things you can put on your site: images, buttons, even contact forms. But for today, we are zooming in on the option called Social Bar. This is Wix's built-in way to display those familiar social media icons. Take a moment to scroll through the different styles available. Wix offers several variants, from modern flat designs to more classic icon looks, so pick the one that suits your brand and website vibe the best. Don't rush here. Think about your site's color scheme or overall mood. A minimalist bar might blend in nicely with a sleek portfolio, while something colorful can add personality to a business homepage. Once you've selected the social bar style you like, simply drag and drop it onto your site. Now, where do you put it? You want it somewhere visitors will easily find, but not somewhere distracting. In most cases, the footer, the very bottom part of your website, is a classic choice. It's like a virtual handshake at the end of a visit, letting guests find your social pages as they wrap up. But if you prefer, you can place it in the header or sidebar. It's totally up to you and the way you want your audience to interact. Now, on to the important part: connecting your actual social media accounts. Click on your new social bar and look for the option that says Set Social Links. This is where the magic happens. You'll see icons for the most popular platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and others. You can customize which ones you want to display, depending on where you're active. Let's start with Facebook. Open a new browser tab and head over to your own Facebook page. This could be your business profile, group, or personal account, depending on what you want to share. Click on the URL in the browser's address bar, highlight it, and copy it. Then, go back to Wix, click the Facebook icon in your social bar link settings, and paste the URL right there. This links your site icon directly to your actual Facebook page. Next, repeat the process for YouTube. Jump over to youtube.com, log into your channel, and copy the URL from your channel's homepage. Paste that into the YouTube slot on Wix. Same goes for Instagram. Find your profile, copy the link, and paste it back into Wix. Take your time here. Don't worry if you need to double-check which URLs you're pasting. You want each one to direct visitors to the correct spot. Once all your links are set, you're almost done. I recommend hitting the preview button to see how the icons look and feel on your actual site. Spend a minute clicking each icon to verify that it opens the right social page in a new tab. It's a small step, but really helps stop mistakes from slipping through. And that's all there is to it. Your Wix site now connects seamlessly to your social media, making it easy for visitors to follow, like, and interact wherever you are online. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I read everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and website tips coming your way soon. Thanks again for watching, and good luck linking those socials.